If you've tried crushing ice in your Ninja Fit blender but ended up with chunky or uneven results, don't worry. Here's how to get smooth, icy blends without damaging the machine. Step 1. Blend ice alone. First, start with just ice cubes in the cup. Use short, downward pulses. Let the blades chunk the ice before adding anything else. Step 2. Add liquid. After breaking it down. Once the ice starts breaking up, add your water, juice, or milk. Liquid helps carry the ice into the blades and smooth out the blend. Step 3. Don't overfill. Stay under the max fill line. Too much ice and liquid together can stall the blade or jam the motor. Step 4. Shake the cup mid-blend. Stop blending. Give the cup a shake, then continue pulsing. It helps move big chunks down so they hit the blades evenly. Step 5. Pre-soak dense ice. Hard freezer cubes. Run them under warm water for a few seconds first. This softens the outer shell and helps them break more easily. After some time, blending hard ice can dull the blade. You can't sharpen them, but replacements are cheap and simple to swap. I've linked the correct blade base that fits the Ninja Fit in the description. If this helped smooth out your blend, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance tips. Thanks for watching, and crush clean!